Okay, on this particular example, we have 100 kg wheel has a radius of gyration of 500 mm and the center is 0.0. And if the wheel start from rest, determine its angular velocity in 3 seconds. Okay, here we can see there is a force P, okay, which is 100 Newton. And it is located about 0.6 meter from the center O. Okay, to solve these particular problems, we need to first calculate the mass moment of inertia of the wheel, okay, at point O. And for this particular shapes, okay, the mass moment of inertia is equal to m r square, or m, here we use k subscript o, okay, square, and that is equal to 100. M is 100 kg. It is our m, and it is our ko, which is 500 millimeter. Okay, you change it to meter, of course it is equal to 0.5. Then you do the maths, then you get this mass moment of inertia of the wheels. Now, moving on, we want to calculate the angular acceleration of the wheels, okay, due to these forces. Okay, and to do so, what we are going to do is we can assume that if we have a rotation in the counterclockwise, we assume it is positive. Then here we have a force which is acting in this direction, which causing these wheels moving clockwise. So therefore we have a negative sign here. Then we multiply by the distance, which is 0.6. Okay. Then equal to minus 25 times the alpha. Okay, minus 25 times alpha. There is the here we have already calculated is mass moment of inertia of the wheels, okay, which is 25, and the alpha, and alpha is the one that we want to determine, and therefore we get our alpha. Now, the final step here is to calculate the angular velocity. Okay, it is a general representation, general formula, where it is the angular velocity at time t that we want to determine, which is at 3 seconds. And it is the initial angular velocity, and from the question, it is already mentioned that the wheel start from rest. So this term is equal to 0. And then the angular acceleration we already determined, okay, which is equal to 2.4. And t is, of course, we want to get the angular velocity at 3 seconds. Then just put 3 over here. Then this is the final answer for this particular question. So the angular velocity at time equal to 3 seconds, it is equal to 7.2 radian per second. Thank you.